Thank goodness I don't have to fear the thorns on my rose bushes anymore because I'm using these 100% cowhide gloves. They're tough and strong and they resist everything my rose bushes throw at me while I'm gardening. So let's get a better look at them. I like the brown color. I think that's nice, perfect for working outside with. They feel substantial. They feel thick, heavy duty. They're still pliable enough that I can definitely work in them. They're not going to resist me too much, but they do feel like they're going to do a good job of keeping my hands safe. Based on the sizing chart, I went with the large size, and that ended up fitting me perfectly. And the drawstring keeps it snug on my wrist so that it doesn't work loose or fall off. Yeah, they feel good. They're comfortable to wear. And sometimes I have to do fairly fine tasks even when I'm wearing gloves, so I wanted to see if I were to try and hold a marker or a pen, would I be able to effectively use it wearing these? Granted, they're not mechanics gloves or something that's meant for super fine dexterity, but yes, I could still do something like use a pen to write on things wearing these gloves. Not bad. I think these are going to be really useful in the garden. A couple other things I really like about them. They're cotton lined inside, which makes them extra comfortable to wear. I can't say that there was any odor other than just your standard leather smell, which I kind of like. No loose seams, no loose threads, very good. All in all, I'm very happy with these. I think they've earned my recommendation. They look good, they feel good, and they're going to be very useful to me as I do garden work and other stuff around the house.